Hello, this is Jace Fugate with the Introduction to the Go Programming Language courses. Let's go into our Go path here, open up source. Today we're going to be talking about characters. Specifically, we're going to be just looking at a quick look at bytes and runes. So inside your source subdirectory in your Go path, let's make a new package. Let's call this char. We're going to be going over characters, so that seems fitting. Let's create a new file. Call this main.go. And in this file, we're going to be making the main package. And then create your main function. So func space main parentheses brackets. So let's create a variable, var space, let's call this my byte. It's going to be of type byte. Let's put a single quote. This is important. Make sure it's single quotes, not double quotes. We're doing a byte here. We're not doing a string. Let's do letter A. So that's going to hold the bytes of the letter A. And if you do var, let's say my rune. Let's type in rune as the type. Single quotes. I'm going to paste in a heart. This is like a special character. Okay, let's go ahead and print these out and see what we get. So fmt, we need to import the fmt package. We print.f. So it'll print what we're going to use the special formatting string. So we're going to format a character, C. And let's print out the number here. Type in another character equals U. Well, let's format these. So we're going to be typing in my byte twice. We're going to format the same variable in two different ways. Same thing with my rune. Okay, let's go ahead and cd into our new package. Let's run this. So go space run space period. See what it prints out. A equals 97. So the byte value of A is 97. And in fact, let's switch this to B. Give us the that'll give us the binary version if we wanted to look at that as well. So that's the binary version here. And then heart equals U plus 2665. So those are characters, you have bytes and runes. They are different than strings. You gotta make sure that you remember that bytes and runes use single quotes, and a string will use a double quote. Again, go ahead and check your course material. You can find out more about these types. Thank you so much for being here. We'll see you again.